Hey everybody, game time. Today we have one of these monster size boxes of 2015 Rookies and Stars. These boxes still crack me up. They're just huge. I mean, just look at this thing. It's like a suitcase of cards. Like, here's my little box of Select that I just opened. Let's compare. There we go. Check that out. Yeah, I don't know who thought that was a good idea, but it cracks me up. Alright, the last time I opened one of these boxes, it was absolutely brutal. There's lots of good potential with the 2015 rookie class, and the last time I opened one of these, I didn't get diddly squat. I'm talking, it was bad. So I'm really hoping for better results. Let me get this aimed right. There we go. 10 cards per pack, 6 packs per box, and you get 5 hits. But they say 5, but one of them is a manufactured patch. So they're kind of messing with you there. And if you haven't opened this before, and do that for the first time, you'd probably be kind of ticked. Of course, we can get lots of people here. Cooper, Mariota, Winston rookie. Who else? Gurley. There is, and a lot of those top rookies actually, have signed and have potential autographs in here. Here's another funny thing about this box: is it's this monster size, and then the packs are just in that little tiny crack. Oh, hey, how dare you, Donruss? Hang on, I got issues. Malfunction. It's all the packs are in just this little tiny hole in the middle. Alright, I'll quit rambling about the box and open the packs. Let's see what we get. Hopefully we get somebody good this time. Or some good parallels or something. I love the look of these cards. They all say longevity in the background, in case you didn't know. This is the longevity box. So Des Bryant, Phillip Rivers, Jamal Charles, Kendall Wright. Ooh, well, unfortunately, this is Cutler, but this is the jersey number variation. It's numbered to 25. I don't know if you can see. There you go, the 6 in the background. Dang, too bad it's Cutler. First hit, dang, David Cobb. For the Titans, not numbered. Oh, I forgot these are in here. I love these Crusade inserts. These come in parallel versions. You can get them numbered if you're lucky. Russell Wilson. Here's an RG3 die cut. SS. It's something stars. I can't remember. Not superstars. Some kind of star or something other. Rookie Josh Harper and Ronald Darby. Darby. Alright. Alex Smith, Bishop Sankey, T.Y. Hilton, Terrence West, Eric Decker. Oh, Mannion. Oh, man. Yep, looks like I'm headed towards the same outcome as last time. So far, whew, my hits are Mannion and David Cobb. David Cobb's not doo-doo, but Mannion is. Woof. Yikes. And I've seen people open these and just get lights out good stuff. Bortles, Crusade. This is a Josh Robinson team name parallel to 249. Philip Dorsett and Buck Allen. This pack is really heavy. I don't know if it's a filler or something. Probably a filler. Frank Gore. I don't know. There's something in here. No, there's something in here. Let's see. Maybe it's somebody good. Roethlisberger, Flacco, Harvin. Here's a LT and Melvin Gordon. Oh yeah, Melvin Gordon rookie year too. Oh, it's Tevin Coleman. Dress for Success rookie jersey. So that is already 3 of the hits. I'm not feeling good right now. I feel a little sick. Who is this? Brashad Perryman, die cut. Ryan Tannehill, parallel, team name to 299. And then we have, well, Abdullah, rookie. I forgot this was his rookie year too. 2015 is not a bad year. But this is a bad box. Sammy Watkins, Marshawn Lynch. I'm going to have to stop buying this stuff. My luck with it's just not good. Sometimes you just got to know when to call it and say, you know, just throw in the towel. Shane Ray. Woof. Oh, God. Help me, Jesus. This is a terrible, terrible, terrible box. Well, there's a little Tom Brady die cut. There's that. Marshawn Lynch. And my rookies, even these rookies are stinky. This whole box stinks. Like my trash can. Today was trash day. This card should have gone with it. Ugh, Jimmy Graham, Brandon Cooks. Usually I'm not one to complain too much, but this box has been beating me up the last few times. And I'm tired of it, so I'm going to quit buying it. Here's my little manufacturer patch. Which Drew Brees is great, but Garrett Grayson, a lot of people hate these. I don't hate them. I think it's kind of cool, actually, the manufacturer patches. So here's a decent card. Look at this. A Gurley Crusade. Stephon Diggs. This is like a progression or something like that. It's kind of a cool card. Oh, and there's a Mariota rookie. So this pack's not bad. Chris Conley. Alright, last one. And let's end this. Y'all remind me when I go to order this next time to not do it. I don't know what I keep thinking that I'm going to come out on top here. Latavius Murray, CJ Anderson, Zach Mettenberger, Andrew Luck. Ooh, well, we have a little Tom Brady die cut parallel to 49. That helps. And looks like we got an extra hit. It's Jay Ajayi, but wow, look at that little patch. Numbered to 25. Unfortunately, I think is he already out of the league? I don't know. He's got to be on some team still. Is he on the Eagles still? Was he on the Eagles? Am I thinking completely wrong? Either way, I don't know. That's kind of cool. And then we end it with Brashad Perryman, Crusade. Brian Hoyer, parallel. Shaq Thompson, and Josh Robinson. Well, it ended up not being as bad as I thought it was going to be. But, man, I have seen people just, I'm serious, open these boxes. I'm talking, they're pulling Amari Cooper autograph, Mariota autograph, Gurley autographs. And I'm here pulling Sean Mannion. Oh, well, what are you going to do? That's okay. That's the nature of the beast. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care of yourself. Hope you're doing well. And I'll be back with some more cards and hopefully a much better outcome soon.